I am Danmaiko Ubaldo. I am a small business owner, which is Good Food. Ang nilalaman nun is I'm selling in a jar or in a bottle. Alamang, Bicol Express, adobo, and kahit anong lutong bahay. So, ba't ko nga ba naisipan na ipasok yon? Kasi nga, kadalasan namin ginagamit is FIFO. First in, first out. Bakit? Kasi nga, madaling masira kapag pagdating sa pagkain. Why use FIFO? Because it keeps food fresh and prevents expiration. Tsaka, common in perishable goods like milk, eggs, or fish. So, pagdating sa business ko, mas okay na ginagamit ang FIFO. First in, first out. Ito ang example ng LIFO and FIFO. Gumamit ako dito ng simple simulator like the market simulator, which is this one. Let's watch the example.
Let's say I run a fruit shop. I place an order for apples and they arrive first. So I stock them first. Then I order oranges and they come in after. So I stock them next. Now it's time to sell. What do I grab first? I grab oranges. This is LIFO. Last in, first out. I'm selling the most recent stock first. But if I sell the older stock first to keep things fresh, that's FIFO. First in, first out. I'm moving my inventory in the same order I receive it.